In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pair two Bluetooth speakers to one Samsung phone. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to Tech with Brett, where I help tech work for you. And in today's video, we're going to show you a feature called dual audio. This feature allows you to pair two different speakers or Bluetooth headsets to one phone. Now this will be available for Samsung Galaxy S8 phones, S8 Plus, the Note 8, S9, or the S9 Plus. Now this is really handy to have if you have multiple speakers and you want to increase the volume. Maybe you want multi-room audio in your home, or maybe you're on a flight and you want to share your audio from the movie you're watching on your phone to a significant other. They could listen on their own Bluetooth headset as well. So today we're going to show you how to get this set up. So the first thing that we need to do is pair our first Bluetooth device. To do this, it's pretty easy. You just go into the Bluetooth settings. You can hold down right here in the notification shade. That will open up Bluetooth. Make sure it is turned on, and then place the first speaker in pairing mode. So here it has found those two different speakers, and I'm going to select Kitchen to pair that.
The connection is complete.
Now we need to turn on dual audio and pair our second speaker. To turn on dual audio, just select the menu in the top right and then go into the dual audio settings. And here is where you can turn on the dual audio, where you can connect both of those devices at once. So now we need to go back to the settings and pair the second Bluetooth speaker. So here I'm going to select Scan and then put this in Bluetooth pairing mode. And here we can see the speaker is already turned on.
The connection is complete.
And now we are paired to both of these speakers at the same time. There you can see that they are both connected and paired together. So now when we go into our music player or a video that we are watching, all we need to do is select play, and we can control the volume here from our phone, or we can control the individual devices and change the volume separately on each of those. So let's test this out. There you can see they are very unison. So there I can mute the one, you hear the other over there. Turn this on, mute this one. Now they sound really great together. There is no delay between these two speakers. Now you may experience a delay depending on which speakers or headphones you are using. Because these are the same style, it's able to connect to them the same and it works great. Now if you have any others that may be different, you might experience something different, but for now they are working awesome. So there you go, pretty quick video on how to use dual audio on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you guys have any further questions about this, please leave a comment below. And if this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe so that you can be notified of my new and upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.